Okay, welcome. We're starting Chapter 2, Efficient Design and Programming the Mid-Level User Interface. I'm Picone. Garbini and Devine are my co-authors on this book on real-time computing. Check it out at the MIT Press website or rtcbook.org, the companion website. What is efficiency? In computing, efficiency concerns the performance of required tasks within the constraints of limited resources. Real-time computing has specific timing constraints, as we have seen. Meeting these timing constraints is easier when the number of tasks and each task's duration, called runtime, are minimized. So that's what we try to do. The most direct way to minimize runtime is to simply use faster computer hardware. But this can be costly and is limited by the state of the art. Another aspect of computing efficiency is in the use of memory. Often different algorithms for computing the same task differ widely in the amount of memory used. Memory is always finite, so its efficient use is always of importance. Algorithmic and programmatic efficiency. In this chapter, we examine methods of improving efficiency with special attention to algorithmic and programmatic efficiency. Algorithmic efficiency is the efficiency of the algorithm, i.e., the general method used to solve a problem. Programmatic efficiency is the efficiency of the actual program that implements the algorithm. So, we're talking pseudocode, code. The programmatic efficiency is tightly coupled to programming language. In this chapter, we also further explore the C programming language, describing certain fundamental techniques for improving efficiency. These will be applied in lab exercise 2 to mid-level user interface UI functions for character input and output. Okay, so that's the introduction to Chapter 2. I'll see you in Section 2.1.